Hi all, let's learn coding. It's so much fun. Today's puzzle is we have to make the artist draw a triangle. So that's our puzzle. So let's write our code. First, move forward by 100 pixels because the length of the triangle is 100 pixels. Then turn left by 120 degrees. Now let's learn angles. 45, 6. This is 45. This is 60. This is 90. So 120 will be what we need. 180 will flip. We need 120. Now let's hit run. It turns. Then again move forward 300 pixels. Now reset. Now let's run. Now has to turn left by 120 again. Should move forward by 100 pixels again. Now let's hit run. The code is finished and I have one point to share you. We did this. We finished the code in 6 blocks. Try finishing this code only in 4 blocks. And share your answers in the comment. My name is Darsh Teja. Meet you in the next lesson. Bye.